Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
Sunny skies once again. A very warm day for all of the freshmen starting off at Sheldon. By the way, we all just lamented they get to look younger and younger every year. Either that or I'm just getting old. That's probably what it is. Here's what we've got right now. Coast, unfortunately, continues to sit a little on the cloudy side. Most of that marine layer cloud coverage just kind of spilling, oozing, whatever verb you want to use, is pretty much just slicing its way down the coastline. Now, it eventually will work out as we go into the weekend forecast. Tomorrow, though, unfortunately, I think we're going to be looking at it once again. A little bit of cumulus buildup in the southern Cascades as well. They're getting a bit of a southwesterly flow from that upper level low sitting off the northern California coastline. Meanwhile, here in the valley, we're under the influence of high pressure. Storm Tracker 9 live radar sweep is pretty quiet for us. We're getting a nice east-northeasterly wind, and we've got a little bit of precipitation, just few showers and a couple of thunderstorms. Again, you can see those southwesterly winds just kind of pushing all of that moisture inland, but it's well to the south and east of us and really won't have much of an impact on our forecast. So the valleys tomorrow and the Umpqua is going to flirt with 90 degrees once again. As we get to Saturday, we'll slowly start to cool the temperatures off. Huge drop off by Monday, as you might expect. There's usually a cold front with that. And while it will bring our first rain chance in a while, I think a lot of folks will be disappointed if you want that rain, because it's probably only going to stick around the coast. I'll show you in the Precision Cast in a second. First, let's check out what's happening as you head out to Reser Stadium. The Beavs taking on the Wisconsin Badgers. 79 degrees will be the kickoff time temperature at 1 o'clock. I'll have the Ducks coming up at 6. 86 degrees right around Eugene and Springfield. 84 as you get up towards Corvallis. 81 here in Cottage Grove. 86 down in Douglas County. And mid to upper 50s out along the coast. Coast, we'll see the morning clouds push back, or excuse me, the clouds just kind of push inland, and they'll be back off to the beaches again by tomorrow afternoon. A bit warmer overnight tonight. No 40s. I think we'll stay in the 50s. And here's why. That high's getting a little closer. So again, we're initiating that offshore push. And we have that thermal low, basically like a hot pocket of air sitting overhead right now, and that creates a warmer overnight temperature, and that's what also helps us get so warm as we get into the afternoons for tomorrow. So overnight tonight into tomorrow afternoon, again, the coast will see the clouds. Everybody inland, forget it. We're looking at sunny skies. Then by Saturday, the winds switch and take more of a west-southwesterly push. That'll bring the morning clouds back, but it won't have much of an impact on our sunshine for the afternoon. So I think both games will be dry and sunny, but they'll certainly be cooler than what we'll see for tomorrow. Coast will be in the low 60s tomorrow, probably low 60s for most of the weekend. And then it's isolated shower chance late Sunday night into Monday as that front pushes through. Inland, it won't make that much of an impact with one exception. We'll see the Umpqua Basin in the low 90s to upper 80s tomorrow. And then looky there, as that front slides through, it brings that cooler ocean air with it. 86 on Saturday, 78 on Sunday, and then how about 73? And kind of cloudy to start off next week. In the Cascades, sunny and warm, temperatures in the upper 70s and low 80s. Low 80s again in Bend and Redmond. They'll be in the mid-80s by Saturday, then into the mid-60s. And overnight lows near freezing by early Tuesday morning. And finally here in the valley, sunny. We'll call it hot. Why not? 90 degrees. Then we'll cool off to the mid-80s on Saturday, upper 70s by Sunday. Monday, starting off cool, finishing cool, at least for where we'll be the next couple of days anyway, in the low 70s.
All right. Thanks, Justin.
Yeah.